Breakfast, a bagel, and an iced coffee. Homemade iced coffee. In my Starbucks cup. And then in my Dollar Tree pan. My Dollar Tree bowl.
Accident off the side of a road, which would still be a tragedy, but it would be a criminal tragedy. Family and friends put up missing.
I only show breakfast and lunch this day.
As a mother's day, it's difficult not knowing where my daughter is or hoping that and thinking that she's okay and safe.
Police checked Tamika's cell phone and credit card records, and there had been no activity.
So here's my lunch for Sunday after church. And it's just 4 tacos. I don't have any lettuce, so I'm making do what I have. And then I just made myself an infused water with what I have, which is clementines and lemons. And yeah. And then I'm cooking some Italian sweet sausage because I'm having pasta tonight for dinner. So this is my lunch.
I have no idea what they're talking about.
This is my bow tie pasta dinner. And I just continue to add water to my lemons and my tangerine mandarins, infused water, and I might put a splash of cranberry juice in it. But this is dinner.